been here for 7 years, and I like being able to figure out a problem and making things that are broken work again. Before Digital Dispatcher, everything was longhand, carbon paper. We got our calls in the morning, 4 calls, and we just went on our business then. If something wasn't up, if something wasn't right, we'd have to call in, or in the winter time, we'd have to call in after every stop and find a pen and a paper, take down the information, and write up a field ticket. Now with Digital Dispatcher, it makes our lives easier with being dispatched. Our calls, all the information comes through over a message, and we have name, address in one shot, whereas we were copying it down. And if you were in a spot with bad service, you might mishear. It's no question on the information when you're receiving it, where you're going and what you have to do. For me, it keeps my paperwork straight, keeps me from having the office call as much, and it takes me from point A to point B with the map function in it. It automatic, click of a button, it gets me GPS directions. As a new ticket comes through the phone, we have all the information right at our fingertips. There's no more looking for a pen and paper, pulling over to write it down, and everything's right there, from the address, name, all the way to GPS directions. We arrived at our next stop. We have to start our ticket and go assess the problem and proceed from there. We go into our tickets, we select our ticket, and we select to start the ticket. Now we're going to put the flat rate codes, the parts and the readings into Digital Dispatcher. Flat rate codes for the cleanings and the safety checks. And now we're going to put the readings in. That's all the information for this service. With our completed ticket, we can now print out a copy to be left at the equipment, a copy for the homeowner, and a copy for our records. And also put in if any recommendations need to be made for the equipment, as in this job needs a new chamber. And we can also put in received on account. If any money was owed for the work being done, we can put in and print a receipt, and it shows the work that was done, that it needs a new chamber, and that they are being billed, that they paid $179. Before Digital Dispatcher, we used to see each other, service techs passing each other on the road. Now with the Digital Dispatch, they can dispatch us more tightly together, so we're getting more work done more efficiently, and that saves the company time and money. Some of the things I like about Digital Dispatcher is less paperwork, automatic billing, and automatic inventory.